hope you're doing well. You guys know that I love to start every month with my fab bag. So here is how the July's fab bag looks like. It's been like I think a week or something that I got the bag, and I was so excited to actually show it to you guys, but this time I used a lot of it and I managed to stain my bag as well. But anyways, so this is how this month's bag looks like. It is so cool. I love it, and I've seen this available in two colors. So mine has these pink smoochies, one is with red smoochies. I like the pink one and luckily I got it. It's a waterproof bag which is perfect. You can just throw it in your bag. It's monsoon season, it will be soon monsoon, or maybe if you're going to the beach. So that's perfect. And the theme of this month's bag is what is the theme? It's Hello Gorgeous themed bag. And the products are actually really nice. I'm going to start with the one which I'm actually wearing today, which is the lipstick. And you will see that I've already started loving it because I have lost the packaging and it's pretty dirty already. So this month Fab gave all of us an option to choose one of the colors of the Sugar's lipstick. The full name is Sugar. It's a Pout Time Vivid lipstick. I already have all the 4 colors. I think I have a video on that or a blog post on that. You can actually check it out. I will look for it and I'm going to link it somewhere here. I think they're coming out with 1 or 2 more colors, and one of the colors is the one which I'm wearing today. It is called 06 Peachy Little Liars. Same packaging. Love it. It's kind of classy, it's different. You can actually see it amongst all your lipsticks, and this is how the color looks like. Very beautiful for summer. It's so lightweight and it's matte, so yeah, I'm actually wearing it a lot these days, and that is the reason I lost the packaging and I had to actually look for the lipstick. So that was the first product, and the cost, it's a Sugar Pout Time Vivid lipstick in Peachy Little Liars, cost 599 rupees. Next thing from the bag is this little pouch. It's called Neemly Naturals Bengal Gram Exfoliator. So this is, I think, a face pack. I was using it the other day. I was trying to use it the other day. It is kind of a face pack that you mix with like water or like aloe vera or something. You put it on and then you scrub it off, and it takes off all your dirt, cleans the pores and everything. It's all natural, of course. And the cost of this one is 425 rupees for 50 grams. And I really like how, you know, Fab Bag is coming up with natural kind of products because they're really safe for your skin. I love using plant-based products. Next product in the bag is a scrub. It's a face scrub. It's by Johara, and it looks like that. Let me actually see how the product actually looks like. This is the packaging of the scrub. It smells very fresh. Actually, it smells like really strong herbs. I think this is also like a natural kind of a product. I'm not too sure though. So it says it's a Radiance face scrub with natural exfoliating walnut extracts, blend of lemon peel, neem oil, which will gently remove the dead skin and impurities and give you a natural cell exfoliation. So that is quite a lot. I am excited to try this. So I'll keep you guys updated on my blog. The cost of this product, let's see. Johara Instant Radiance Face Scrub cost 500 rupees for 100 grams. So now coming to the last product, and it is Pep Moisture Velvet Shampoo with Oat Protection. So this is how this guy looks like. And to be honest, it's the first time that I've seen a shampoo which has oats, which makes me pretty excited. But I don't think I can use it because I have colored hair, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it or not. But let's smell it, because you have to smell every single product that you get. It actually smells really nice. Let me see the cost. So the cost of Pep Moisture Velvet Shampoo is 119 rupees for 50 grams. And it says it has extra nourishment for dry hair, and it will leave your hair soft and manageable without like doing anything else. So yeah, that is that, and that was all for this month's Fab Bag. I have to say that I love the bag itself a lot because it's waterproof and it is so cool. It makes it very, very usable for the coming season. If you're going on holiday, just take it along, put your essentials in it for beach, and you are done. My favorite product from the bag, of course, was the Sugar lipstick. I love the color. Formula, I already know it's amazing. I already have them, but the color is actually really nice. It's perfect for summer. So yeah, that was all for the fab bag. I hope you guys liked it and you enjoyed watching the video, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Do leave comments and let me know if you are planning to buy the bag and which was your favorite product from the bag. And by the way, just rush if you want to buy this month's bag, because the lipsticks I'm pretty sure will be gone very soon. That was all for this month's fab bag. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.